I and my friends.
Baby Salo. And hi, my name is Anna.
Taking a walk to Zion waterfall located at Rafting. We've heard so much about it. It's beautiful and we want to explore it today. As you all know, Sierra Leone is a beautiful place and we want to take advantage of that and show you how beautiful our country is, how beautiful Mama Sierra Leone is. I am so excited and I want to go down there right now and see what's happening, and I know you too want to see what's happening. Follow me guys, let's go.
The exact location for this place is at Grafton. So since it was our first time going there, what we did was we went all the way to Joey and then took a bike that knows where the place is, and the bike was in front of us and we are driving behind him, so he took us there. So this is the road to the Zion waterfall. The road is not that bad as compared to Mambo waterfall. You are going to do about 15 to 20 minutes drive to get to where the car last stop is. And when you reach at the where the car last stop is, you are going to maybe just walk a few minutes, but the road is not bad. Just walk a few minutes and then you are at the Zion waterfall itself. So I personally really love this place because I feel like it's so much easier to go there than going to Mambo waterfall. If you are not going there with a car, you can easily go down to Jue Junction and then take a bike from there. Just tell the bike that you are going to Zion waterfall, because they have two Zion, but just tell them that you are going to Zion waterfall and they will take you there. It's so much easier. Like I said, it's so much easier to get to this place because immediately the bike or the car stopped at their own last stop. The walking distance is just few minutes and the road is not bad to go there. It's so relaxing. You are going to see all of that. This video is going to be a little bit longer because I wanted it to be as detailed and informative as possible. So if you don't want to miss out on any important info, you must watch this video to the end. And if you haven't watched my vlog, which I did on the Mambo waterfall, you should also try to check that out because I'm going to link that video in the description box below, so you should check that out and do your own comparison yourself. this is the last stop for a car or a bike, because the rest of the road is not motorable. When we went there on that very day, we are walking on the road because they are trying to extend the road so it will be motorable, going down a little bit. So that was it, and the rest of the road is just walking distance. You have to walk your way down there. This place is very beautiful. It is very beautiful, and another thing you don't have to worry about is the fact that there are a whole lot of buildings around. It's not like Mambo wherein there are not houses around the place. There are lots of bushes, but for this waterfall there are a lot of houses around, so you don't have to worry too much about going there if you are a female, or if all of you going there are female. So it's 100% safe. One thing that really blows my mind whenever I visit these places is that how can just a place carry all of this cuteness? Just look at the view. The view is beautiful. Regardless of the fact that I'm going there to see the waterfall, I still just can't get my attention away from this beautiful view that I'm seeing. And I actually told my friends that we should be coming here often after the rainy season is over, because this place is just amazing. It's just something else. So we went to this place when it was during the raining season. I don't know how it will look like during the dry season. I don't know if the water dries out or not. I don't know about that, but this just looks like a water running down, because the waterfall at Mambo is higher than this one. But one thing I love about this place is the fact that I can walk my way through in, I can walk out, but with Mambo waterfall, for me it's too high, and some places in within the water are a little bit slippery, but this one is somehow different than that, as you can see. The place is, according to what they said, it's like almost it's filled with people. People are going there to enjoy the beautifulness of the waterfall and just have fun and do all of that. Another constraint you won't have to face when you are at this place is that they sell a lot of food and drinks around there. So if even you don't go with water, you can buy one there. I saw a lot of food like snacks which you can get. Alcohol is also there. But at this place there is nothing like an organized team. Like at Mambo, they have an organized team which tries to help people out. Like if when you are at the place, like if you want to maybe cross over, there are people there who will help you out. Like even if you don't walk out to them, they will walk up to you and say, oh, do you want to do this? Let me help you do this, let me help you do that. You will also pay to go in there, but this place you won't pay to go there. But Mambo, you are going to pay to get in there. And also this place, there is nothing like an organized team that will help you out when you are there. But Sierra Leoneans, we are nice people, we are very friendly. I'm very sure that if you ask anybody for help while you are there, you are definitely going to get what you asked for. So no worries. The kids here are extremely nice and amazing. When they saw that I was making a video, they were all pointing towards me, making sure that I take I take a picture of them, or they were in the video. And at some point they had to come out of the water and they were like, take a picture of me, take a picture of me. And they also said that let's take a picture together. Hey, Sierra Leone, we are nice people. We nice bang bang. Me, I love water. So at some points I tried going inside the water. I know I wasn't dressed for that. My trousers was so long. I had to hold them up. I wanted to go inside the water, but hey, I couldn't. At some points I was scared. I was like, hey, I know I can't let me study this for tire. So I had to come back out. But I'm sure if you are dressed for it and you are ready for it, you are definitely going to be able to cross over, because it's not that hard.
Oh my god, people, you need to see what I've seen. I've never seen this kind of view before. Look at the beautiful place. Sierra Leone is a very beautiful land. I'm so proud of my country.
We are done and we are going. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. Comment down in the comment section below on vlogs you want to see about Sierra Leone, and also don't forget to share this video wheresoever you can, so that people can see how beautiful Sierra Leone is. And last, please make sure you like this video. Bye.